The greedy cat. Once upon a time, a cat was wandering in search of food. While walking, she saw a big drum lying under a tree. The cat thought that there might be some other small animal inside the drum. That would make a tasty meal for her. The cat tried to open the drum, but it was too tough to tear off. The cat began to beat the drum with her front paws. A dog heard the sound and came near it. The cat requested the dog, "Can you tear off the drum and catch the prey?" The dog was himself hungry, so he hit the top of the drum with his heavy paws. The drum opened, but there was no animal inside. The dog became very angry and said to the cat, "You have wasted my time. There is no food inside the drum, so I will kill and eat you." The dog pounced upon the cat and killed and ate her. Moral of the story is, greed is always harmful.